Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 products all from the brand Just Herbs. Our scalps takes a lot hot air from the blow dryer, chemical treatment, synthetic colors, pollution, dust, headgear, seasonal changes, grime, silicone-laden hair products and many more. But who gets all the attention? Our hair. Our scalp is also skin and extension of our face. So it is always important to take care of your hair. Along with that, we should not forget our scalp because it is the scalp that actually make our hair look more healthier with time. So if you are a person who love to oil your hair on daily basis or on weekly basis, then definitely this is the product that you can try out. I am talking about Just Herb Java Kusum hair oil. It has Bringaraj, Brahmi and Indian gooseberry. It is a pre-wash deep conditioning oil. This one is priced rupees 595 and you are going to get 100 ml of this oil. How I use the oil? I just warm the oil and massage into my hair roots with fingertips. I keep this oil on my hair for overnight and allow the oil to seep into my scalp, and then I wash it using Just Herb Lush Methi Shikakai shampoo that I'm going to talk very soon in this video. The oil is very light in texture and definitely it is a very good pre-wash deep conditioning oil which I really like. I usually apply this oil just one day before I wash my hair. Now this oil have a very nice fragrance, although I feel that the fragrance is little bit strong and it might bother your sensitive nose if you don't like strong fragrant oil. But if you can ignore that fragrance part, then definitely this oil is a must try one because it just reduces the hair fall that I was facing just after coloring my hair. Now this oil have no parabens, no mineral oil, and this is 100% natural, and this oil is for all hair types. But as this oil is an Ayurvedic medicine, so I always suggest to do a patch test before you use this oil. Overall, I really like this oil as my pre-wash deep conditioning. It definitely lessen my hair fall. So definitely if you are facing any hair fall problem, then you can try out this oil. Now moving on to the next product. Now as I talked about one product that you can use it as a pre-wash conditioner for your hair. Now moving on to the another product that I want to talk, and that is Just Herb Shirolepam hair and scalp treatment mask. It is made with Amla, Vingraj and Shankh Pushpi. The Shirolam hair mask by Just Herbs nourishes, moisturizes and nurtures the scalp. It regulates and restores scalp's pH balance. It strengthens hair strands and promotes hair growth. Now this hair mask comes in a nice tub, as you can see. The price of this hair mask is rupees 745 and you are going to get 200 gram of product, which is a huge amount because you just need a little bit of this hair mask for your single application. How you can use this mask? You have to start massaging the mask into your scalp. You just had to part your hair into smaller section and work the mask downward to the tip of your hair. For better result, all I do sometimes is just that I wrap my head with a lukewarm wet towel while the mask gets to work. Or you can skip this part if you have tendency of catching cold. All I just do is I leave this mask for 20 minutes and then rinse out this mask, followed by a gentle sulfate free shampoo, which I'm going to talk in my next part of this video. As you can see, I have just applied this mask on my scalp and now I let it leave like so on my scalp for 20 minutes and then I will just wash my hair using Just Herb shampoo. Now it is also suggested that if our hair is very dry and require intense nourishment, then we can leave this mask overnight and rinse out in the next morning. I really like the fragrance of this mask, and also I must tell you that it instantly just softened my hair shuffles because you can see that I have very dry hair, and also due to seasonal change my hair is now having tendency to get more dry. So I think that this mask comes as a rescue for my dry hair. I really like how instantly it just softened the shuffles of my hair and also make it look shiny and glossy. So overall, I really like this mask and definitely I would love to recommend you this mask. If you are a person who use lots of blow dryer or chemicals or synthetic colors on your hair, then you definitely need this mask to get that extra protection for your hair. Now moving on to the last product, and the last product that I'm going to talk is Just Herb Lush Methi Shikakai shampoo, which has hibiscus, wheat germ and vetiver. This shampoo is for all hair type. The price of this shampoo is Rs 625 and you are going to get 200 ml of product. The shampoo comes in a sturdy bottle, as you can see, with a flip top cap. It is little green in color and I really like the fragrance of this shampoo. This shampoo is parabens and SLS free and it is actually an Ayurvedic medicine, so I always suggested that any product claimed to be Ayurvedic medicine should be applied on yourself once you done with the patch test. So always do a patch test of all these three products of Just Herb that I have just shared, because all the three products are claimed to be Ayurvedic medicine, and when it is Ayurvedic, 99% they are natural, and that's why they might cause little bit of skin irritation because of the purest forms of the product. I apply this shampoo on my wet hair and I just work up to lather and then I just rinse it with water. Now if you have extremely dry hair, then I will suggest you to go for a conditioner after you use this shampoo. So overall, all these three products, I really like it and definitely I would love to recommend it. If you are a oil person, who love to oil their hair, then Java Kusum oil of Just Herb is a perfect choice for you. Or if you are a person who used to go to office every day and that's why don't have time for Champi, then that person can try out this Just Herb hair mask, because both the oil and the mask have almost same kind of effects, and that's why you can choose any one of them or you can choose both of them and you can just pamper yourself on weekend. So that's complete my today's video. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and yes, do take care of your hair. Bye.